everyone, it's Miss Jackie from the Marengo-Union Library here for our April STEAM/Earth Day project. What we'll be making today is demonstrating the process of a lever and a fulcrum. And the way we're going to do that is I'm going to give you 2 plastic K-cups, a bamboo stick, a toilet paper roll, and some pom-poms. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your round toilet paper roll and you're going to make it into a triangle. Now how you're going to do that is you're going to fold 3 of the sides down, kind of crease it. Okay, I've got 1 crease, and then another, and then I'm going to pop it back up. And now my round toilet paper roll now is a triangle. And I'm going to check to make sure that my stick fits inside there. Oh, because I forgot to tell you, we're going to make a little slit, because I found that if you just try to balance it on top of there, yeah, that didn't work as well. So I found it needed a little help, and that was to put a little slit there. And this is why you need to try it first to make sure that it'll balance. Okay, so, all right, the stick fits in there and it balances. And now we are going to add the K-cups. You can take a piece of paper and you're going to crumple it up and put it inside here while you try to pierce the hole into the side of your K-cup. Now you want to make sure that you have the holes equal on both sides of your K-cups. All right, so to do this one here, okay, and then I'm going to compare the 2. Okay, so I know where I need to put my next hole on the other K-cup. There we go. And now I'm going to put my lever on my fulcrum and we'll see if we can balance it. Let's see. This is kind of fun to try. There we go. Okay, so there we go. Now what happens if I put some pom-poms in one side? See? The lever is rotating on the fulcrum, and so that makes that side go down and the other side comes up. So you can have fun with it. You can try different things in here, maybe marshmallows or raisins, cereal. So you can have practice making the balance. Now, another thing too you can do is try moving your cup up or moving the lever here and see if that makes a difference. So if I make the stick, the lever way over here, can I balance it out? Oh, there we go. Let me take some out. It doesn't have enough here. Okay, even though this one has more than that one, we still managed to balance it, didn't we? Okay, so the way that works is, let's say you go on a seesaw and you go up because the other person is heavier, right? The lever, which is this right here, is pivoting on the fulcrum. All right, there's different kinds of levers. Did you know that? It all depends on the force. There's actually 3 classes, which I'll show you. I'll send that home with you. 3 different classes of levers. There's a first class, a second class, and a third class. First class would be something like maybe pliers. A second class would be a wheelbarrow. And a third one would be like if you were, let's see, trying to lift something up, maybe something really heavy. And the last page here, we have some questions, some other experiments you can do with your experiment. And you also try other things like, have you ever put nails into a board and you try to get the nail out? Well, you can't. What do you use to get that nail out? You use a hammer. Again, that's using your force, right, of your muscles and the leverage of the hammer to get that nail out. So lots of different things. Can you think of other things too that use that same principle of levers and fulcrums? How about scissors? How about a clothespin? Can you think of other things? I bet you can. All right, just look around and see if you can think of how many different things use that principle. All right, thank you so much for joining me. We'll see you again next month. Bye.